back to Naani's kitchen. What are we making today?
Shish Tawook.
Shish Tawook. Yeah, so we're going to pretty much be grilling our chickens on a skewer in our oven, and we're going to be marinating it in some delicious flavors using our spices and our yogurt. So keep watching for the full recipe. Please leave us comments in the comments below. Thank you. First, we need to cut up our chicken. We want to cut them up in bite-sized pieces so that we can put them on the skewers without too much of it dangling off. We now just have to make our marinade for the chicken. We just want to start by adding the yogurt to a large bowl, followed by the tomato paste. We then add the spices that we've listed in the ingredients, and then we want to add our garlic and lemon zest and our lemon juice. We then add the white vinegar and the olive oil, and we mix until well combined. Once we've mixed the marinade, we can now add the chicken to it, and we just want to mix it well until everything is evenly coated. We then want to refrigerate the chicken. It's best to refrigerate overnight at this point. However, if you are in a rush, 3 hours is an okay amount of time. Okay, so before we start assembling our skewers, we really want to soak our skewers in very cold water, preferably from the fridge, for 1 to 2 hours. This helps the skewers not burn while cooking. Once our chicken is ready, we can now set up our table with the things we need to assemble our skewers. So here we have red capsicum, green capsicum and brown onion. We're just going to have a tray as well to put our skewers on once they're ready. Make sure to turn on the broiler in your oven so that it has enough time to heat up before we cook the chicken. We start off by putting one of each, the brown onion followed by the green and red capsicum, and then a piece of chicken. We want to do this about 3 times so that we have 3 pieces of chicken on each skewer. Once the skewers are done, we can now place them on the grill plate to be placed in the oven. We want to cook them for around 15 to 25 minutes until the chicken is well cooked and nicely browned. Every oven is different, so just keep checking on your chickens so they don't burn. We recommend that you turn them while they're in the oven so that they cook evenly and have a nice color all round. Once the chicken is in the oven, we can now make our garlic yogurt. We put some yogurt in a bowl and add about half a teaspoon of salt, and we add our minced garlic and the juice of half a lemon. We also add some dried mint. For presentation, we just flatten the top of the yogurt and we drizzle some olive oil on top and we sprinkle some of the sweet paprika as well. Once the chicken is cooked well and nicely browned all round, you can now take it out of the oven and serve with whatever you like. Enjoy! Okay guys, so the shish tawook is finished and this is how it looks like. We just served it with some jasmine rice and we've got some of that garlic yogurt on the side and some tomatoes. It's really up to you how you serve it. You can have it with some basmati rice, pasta, just some salad, with some yogurt on the side. Do you want to try, Mum?
Yes.
Let's have one. So we've just served it like this. Can you see?
Oh.
It's still quite hot.
Yeah.
That's so yummy. Because we've used Maryland chicken,
It's soft.
it's really tender. It doesn't dry out like breast chicken, so it tastes amazing. We really recommend you try it and let us know how it tastes. Any questions in the comments below? You're really enjoying that, Mum, aren't you? And any questions in the comments below, recommendations, whatever. And yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. See you later.
Thank you. I wish you
Bye.
enjoyed.